Thank you for watching us. And this is another job today in the morning. Today we have 3 jobs. Right now I'm dusting with the Swifter long pole extension, 6 feet. Some dust from the master bathroom, the light fixtures. Just removing the dust. I cannot record every single step that I'm doing, but the first thing that I do when I do the master bathroom is dust the light fixtures. Also dust with the Swifter the glass, so it will be easier for us to clean. Then, as you know, I always put the toilet bowl cleaner. I'm using the Lysol. In this house, they have 2 dogs, beautiful dogs, and 2 kids. And sometimes when recurrent cleaners do the housekeeping, they forget to take out the cushions and clean under the sofas or under the cushions. So a lot of toys, dust, breadcrumbs that we vacuum. We vacuum the sofa, we put again the cushions, and everything was clean. Another thing that we do today is vacuuming really good 2 rooms and that carpet. Today we are using this vacuum. This vacuum has a great suction. It's called Workhorse. Previously by Amway Clear Track. All vacuum, heavy. The motor is big, gray suction with a cyclone clear window. That's the name, Clear Track, the original by Amway. So that vacuum picked up a lot of pet hair, dust, dry soil from carpet or rocks. The way I vacuum is 4 passes: south to north, or north to south, right? South to north, east to west, and west to east. Taking the time to vacuum and absorb and remove all the dry soil from the carpet. That's crucial. Then Sonia was doing today the kitchen area, dusting the whole house. In the meantime, I was cleaning the master bathroom. In the master bathroom, I had a problem with the tub. The tub didn't drain properly. It was hard. A lot of pet hair stick on the tub, so we put a lot of water on the tub and rinse really well. What happened? The drain doesn't work. And it's not the drain, it's the thing that you pull out with your hand is broken. So what happened? I didn't want to go to my car to bring my truck back, and I was using a sponge and some buckets to remove all the water there. So I lose time doing that. That was the worst thing that happened today in that house in the morning. Then I noticed that in the one of the bedrooms, where is the bunk beds, the carpet was really dirty. She didn't want to steam cleaning the carpet because she's planning to remove the carpet and put laminate or the tile floor. That house had water damage in the kitchen, and they remodeled the whole kitchen area. The damage was a leaking from the refrigerator, behind the refrigerator. So they removed the carpet from the master bedroom and the carpet from the dining and the family room, and they put new tiles. They wasn't supposed to put new tiles, but when they do the mitigation, how you call the mold remediation, they chip a little tile in the kitchen, and by law, I don't know in another state, but here in Florida it's like that. If the contractor chip just a little bit of the tile, he needs to replace the whole tile area. The owner was happy about that. Of course, that the insurance paid for everything, and I think that the company had also the insurance. So they put more money and add tile in the master bedroom. So now, 2 rooms where the kids sleep, they have some stains on the carpet. As I mentioned before, they didn't want to use a truck mount, so I offered the BLM, very low moisture, or SAD, soil extraction transfer technique. And I'm using my OP orbital by Trinity. This Phoenix OP is an oscillation machine. Is better than a regular 175 scrubber side by side, because not only moves side by side, okay, but it orbits and has an option to tap in. It's weird. It's heavy, the machine, but easy to use. So worth it, the investment. And I use, for that job, I use a product that is called oleofin. Because I want to do it fast, with no residue of the product. So that product is called oleofin, that is good for oleofin carpets too, based with alcohol. So I using at the beginning the blue scrubbing hat, spray and go over the stains, and then the whole carpet. A small area, it works wonderful, the machine. I think that that's the second best investment that I did in my whole life. My first investment was a protein backpack vacuum. At that moment, it was $650 that I invest, and I put in the credit card, and I was scared to buy a big vacuum, but so worth it. Until now, I use the same vacuum. Well, I have plenty of vacuums, right? But this machine, this investment, was the second best thing that I invest, because like 2 months ago, I had trouble with my truck mount. The computer was something broken, and the problem is that it was so hard to find a computer for that machine. It wasn't in stock, they don't have it, coronavirus killed everything. So I was stopped with the truck mount for more than 2 months. And those 3 months around, I was using this machine, and it was not stopping. It was so good, because I was be able to do the carpet and also laminated floor, tile, and wood floor. So this machine is really versatile. I don't know how to say it. I really happy where I bought it, that it was greenglides.com. The customer service is amazing. Right now, Sonia is vacuuming the whole floor with another protein backpack vacuum and the floor attachment. In the meantime, I was working in that little room. The client came after we finished. He was surprised. He thought that we couldn't remove those stains. The owner, Melissa, put some products on the stain before and she couldn't remove it, and she was using the Folex. I don't know if I'm pronouncing good, that you can buy in Home Depot. Even though that it came really good, excellent. In my opinion, was good, and it didn't take me that much. I spent my time. Don't get me wrong. Sonia vacuuming that room, all the sizes. She removed a lot of pet hair, especially because of the dogs. There I was working on the area. The Phonics OP machine has the ability to agitate in all directions the fiber from the carpet. So working slowly, but we had really good results. I was trying to turn on the ceiling fan, but I couldn't, so Sonia did it for me later. After using the blue scrubbing pad, I switched, and the buffing part I was using the white cotton poly pad to extract and do extraction, means transfer. With the blue pad we scrub the product and do the scrubbing motions into the carpet, so we break all the soil, all the fat, all the stains, the spots, actually it's called spots, the spot from the carpet, agitate the carpet, and then we Picasso, and then we switch the pads and we change for the white pad. I used two pads that came really dark, and you're gonna see in a few. I don't know if I already changed the pad. I think that I already changed the pad in white. Oh yeah, actually. Yeah, and now I flip the head, and you can see that it's kind of dark, because that pad is really white. So that's the job for today, and it came really good. I'm happy with the service. Then Sonia raked the carpet so all the fibers will be lifted up and dry faster. I think in 1 hour is completely dry. Then I told Sonia to take a photo how it came the patches, like that. This is Sonia and Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, 407-572-4118. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.